стихия твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
At the edge of the jungle, he stopped. I was certain he was going to look back at me.